crane, and I think they're trying to attach that box to it. It's coming up. Oh, it's coming up. I wonder what's inside. Good morning. It's currently 10:14 a.m. I have my leadership for managers class at 9:50, so I'm like late to it. I'm thinking that I'm just going to like pop into class and see like what's going on, and then like exit the class and like study a bit and do some like homework questions for my business finance midterm today, because it's at 11:40 a.m. and I didn't wake up early to like go over it, so I think I'm just gonna go over it now.
Wait a minute, my world is spinning. There is something I need to know. We've been vibing, drank the wine, and now you say that you need to go. Oh, but I know love when I see it. Oh, but I don't know if you wanna feel it. But you don't.
It's currently 2:30 p.m. I just finished my business finance taxation midterm. I did not do good at all. I am just hoping that I passed it. Yeah, I just feel like curling up in a ball, because in these like accounting courses or like finance courses, the midterm and the exam weigh a lot, and then you just have like labs that like are 15%, and it's like if you don't do good in the midterm or if you don't pass it, then it's like hard to pass the course overall. I honestly really should have studied for this and done the homework questions, but I didn't. I mean, it's just like myself to blame. I don't know why I didn't like study. Do you see that? It literally has mold on it and it's yellow. Oh, that's so disgusting. Ew, ew, ew. I literally just got this bread and I've only had it like, I've only been here a week. I thought bread would last and I didn't even open it yet and it's all moldy. How did it turn out like this? Legit has mold. Oh, that's so nasty. Like, do you see that? That's so furry. And then, like, all over. Oh, that's so nasty. Ew. I'm gonna go dispose of that nasty moldy bread and put it in like the garbage disposal room. The garbage disposal is at the end of this hallway. Oh, that's so nasty. It's currently 3:15 p.m. I'm on my way to McDonald's to get like a Happy Meal to cheer myself up and some ice cream, I guess. I hope this makes me happy. Ooh, I used to love koala bears. So cute. And like the little hedgehog. I really do hope this makes me happy. Let me just... Oh boy, I got another Scooby-Doo. Cool. I just have to put it on my like, windowsill. I have one at home too. So I'll just put this one here. Ooh, so cute.
Happy reps. Yeah. I done caught.
So it's currently 10:30 a.m. I'm going to try to make pancakes in the microwave. I'm going to, I guess, learn how. I've always made it over like the stovetop. Also, I have bacon in the fridge that I'm gonna try to microwave and cook.
Wave at a young age. Niggas getting paid doing dumb things. Make a little money and they act strange. All these girls really want one thing. I like them just like my coffee. All of these girls go to Starbucks, yeah. All of these girls up in college. I like them smart with no drama. I do find a girl.
And let's try for a minute. I really hope it turned out. Oh, that's not bad. Maybe like another minute. This is what it looks like, 2 minutes. I kind of just want to see if it is ready or if I have to do it again. It looks like ready. It looks pretty ready. It looks like I can eat it. But I might do like 20 seconds more.
I'ma be home soon, let's go get.
And then I think I'm gonna do about 2 minutes on the bacon.
I met her, hey, I took my.
I can definitely like smell the bacon. Let's see if 2 minutes is good. Oh, that's not bad. I guess I just have to put it in for longer. So for the pancake, I would say about 2 minutes and 20 seconds for it to like look like this. I'm going to like try it out and see if it even tastes good though. I think I could have added like more water to it because this is pretty thick. I always like thought the microwave was just for like heating things up. I didn't know like you could actually cook in it. It smells good. Bacon, I would say 4 minutes for it to be like crispy. Let's see if the bacon tastes good. And then let's see if the pancake tastes good. Yeah, that tastes good. I think I just need to add more water to it.
Tell me why you like me, baby.
나도 알고 싶다고.
Tell me why you like me, baby.
지금 알고 싶다고.
I've been like sitting here doing my like cultural trash literature presentation for like a couple hours, and I've been like sitting on my foot, and like now my foot is all tingly and it's like asleep. Oh, it's gonna be hard to walk.
Tell me why you like me, baby.
난 네맘 알고 싶다고.
Tell me why you like me, baby.
I'm eating an apple and drinking apple juice. It's now 5:30. I just finished doing my presentation and I just like submitted it to my prof. So now I kind of have like the rest of the day off. So I kind of feel like attending an event. So I like looked through my emails and I saw that there's an like SSF career event happening at 6. It's about like workplace relationships and like different like personality types. Whoa, this seat folds? Oh my gosh. What? It folds, whoa. That is so cool. The Eventbrite isn't working for me, so I think I'm just gonna get tacos since it's Tuesday today. It's currently 7:30 p.m. I'm on my way to Mexico Lindo Express to get tacos. I originally got lost, so I went on the wrong bus, so it's taking me longer to get there now. I've never been like on the other side of Finch Avenue. I thought like if you go past like Seneca College, then it just like leads to Markham. There's like 2 paths, one to Markham, like the highway, and then there's one that continues to Toronto. So that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. So the Mexico Lindo Express place is somewhere in this like Huntingwood Square. This is a close-up of it before. You couldn't really see it, but there we go, Huntingwood Square. I have the tacos. I'm so excited for these tacos. Ooh. I've never had like tacos like these before. I've always wanted to try them. It looks so good. I feel like it's mandatory to say it's Taco Tuesday, just like LeBron always says. Oh, there's like 2. Oh, there's 2 in 1 of the breads. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, that's spicy. Let's try this one. Oh, that's so spicy.
I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, I lick the scourge. Now I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain liquid courage.
So SSF stands for Seneca
Liquid courage, I lick the scourge, lick the scourge. You know what I've been through. It feels like there's no use, but I won't be happy too. Maybe 2020 is the year I bloom. For crying out loud, fuck you. I'ma turn a new leaf, it's true. No more time to be confused. Take a trip out to Rome and not my room. I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way.
Ooh, the sunset looks so cool today. Whoa, there's pink clouds now. It's currently 6 p.m. I have to go pick up some prescriptions from the pharmacy. Hey, can I pick up my prescription?
Yes. What's your last name?
Fernandez?
Fernandez?
Yeah.
I don't have to wash away the pain.
It's currently 9 p.m. I got my prescription, and while I was like in the area of getting my prescription, I like visited my parents' place, saw my family. I also got ramen because I need to eat, and I'm a college student, so I can't like spend too much on meals. So now I'm just on my way back to residence.
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother. But let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if
Tired of messing around with the F-boys. It was a good job, kept me employed, but now I'm moving on to the next point. Try to date a prince instead of a simp, yeah. Someone who's gonna love me through my good, bad, and ugly. More than 90, I want a life story, kinda something like that Shakespeare would have wrote it, yeah. Romeo.
So after I came back from the library, I just like hung out with my roommate for a bit. She made like some chicken salad, very good. She also gave me like a little stone that says like believe on it, so super cute. And then for the rest of the night, I just like stayed in my bed because I like hurt my or like strained my back and neck when I was putting on my jacket. So it was like hard for me to move, and I had like assignments due. So it's not like the most fun day, but I did try to show like different angles of me doing the assignments to like spice things up a bit. I also just got an email saying that my permanent resident card is ready, so I have to like return this now. Hey. I got an email saying my permanent card is ready. Rose Fernandez.
What's your room number?
117. Oh, room number? Yeah. Sorry, I thought you meant student number.
I'm gonna program the card, make sure. There you go. I'll take
Okay.
you
Oh, thank
go.
you. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Oh.
One floor.
4? Yeah, thank you.
No worries. I like your hair.
Oh, thanks. Good afternoon. It's currently 2:15 p.m. I don't know why, but like yesterday I was like putting on my jacket and I had like, I think I like strained my back and my neck. So yesterday I just had to like take it easy, do like my assignments in my bed because like my back and neck were hurting. Right now it's just like my neck. I think the back pain went away, but I'm going to take 2 Advils for it just so that I can like do my essay today because it's due at 4 for my cultural waste course. I don't know why, but like this week it's just been like I've just been like having like bad luck, I guess. Like when I was making my breakfast today, like when I cracked the egg, one of the eggs like fell on the ground. I'll show the like little video here. And then also like I normally put like a minute and a half for my eggs, but like today it just like popped and exploded like all over the microwave. So I had to like clean that up. Bad luck. And yeah, just like throughout the week I've just been having like bad luck. I started off with the business taxation midterm, which I did bad on, but I just have to like get through this week, like get through today, because like so many things were due this week. I was so overwhelmed, so stressed, I wasn't eating that much. But anyways, I got my permanent residence card. So cute. Also yesterday I didn't get to explain, but I got this. I have not seen the movies, I have not read the books. People have been like telling me to like start reading it, so I'm going to start reading it finally. It's only like about 200 and something pages for the first one, so it shouldn't take me long. I'm actually kind of excited to read it. It's currently 6:15. I'm here at college. I need like a change of scenery.
I heard you saying it's over, that you found somebody new, someone a little.
So it's currently 8 p.m. The college is closing now, so I have to head back to residence. I'm going to finish like editing there. So that concludes this week's college vlog. I hope you liked it. It was a bit overwhelming this week because I had so many things due, midterm and so many assignments this week. And last week I was just like adjusting to residence, so I didn't like do as many assignments. And I kind of like left it to like the last minute, which like the stuff was due this week. So a bit overwhelming this week, but I got through it. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next vlog.